What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Huawei Watch GT2 smartwatch with us and we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We are going to have a look on the device, the smartwatch, its design, highlighted feature and all of the usual unboxing stuff. So let's start it. First of all, let's have a look on the box of Watch GT2. So you can see that on the front side we got an image of the product, the smartwatch with the leather strap, and this is 46mm variant. So we got two variants here. One is 42mm and another one is 46. So we got the 46mm variant. Here is the Huawei branding and you can see that the box look quite premium considering the black box and the golden text. And that's all we got. No information other than that the color variant we got is pebble brown and wristband type is brown leather strap. So I guess it's gonna be pretty much like this, and this is a review unit, not for sale. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. And here we go. So it's looking quite premium from inside as well, with once again the black box and the golden accent all around it. So here is the Huawei Watch GT, very much same like the picture that we got on the front side. Okay. So here is the silicone band. So this is a complimentary wristband provided, because as you can see that it already comes with the leather strap, and once again we got this silicone strap as well. So this is pretty good. Depending on your mood you can change the color and the feeling on your hand. Here is the charging cradle, a USB cable, and here we got some user manual, quick start guide, and that's all. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Huawei Watch GT2, the smartwatch, charging cradle, an additional pair of silicone wrist strap, the USB cable, and the quick start guide. So here is the Huawei Watch GT2, the 46mm variant. Now I need to do the setup, so I'm just gonna skip that part. I will make a separate video for that, showing all of the features and everything that you can use while setting up your Huawei Watch GT2. So now the Huawei Watch GT2 setup process is finished and now we are at the watch face. So you can see that it is a beautiful looking device. So first of all, let's talk about few of the hardware specs and features of Huawei Watch GT2. The 46mm variant that we got here in this video comes with 1.39-inch AMOLED touch screen, and it supports swipe gesture and the touch gesture. Talking about the connectivity, it comes with Bluetooth 5.1 along with inbuilt GPS. Without this strap, it weighs just 41 grams and the thickness is just 10.7 mm. The processor we got inside Huawei Watch GT2 is Kirin A1, that is Huawei's latest wearable chipset, and we got nearly 2.2 GB internal storage in this device. And now let's have a look on the design. So Huawei Watch GT2 comes with a 3D touch screen display. So the whole front side is basically just screen and glass, and the glass goes as low as here. And this is one of the major difference between Huawei Watch GT and GT2. If you remember, this part, the dialer part, was of metal in Watch GT, but here we got the glass. So you get an endless glass touch feeling from this edge to this edge, and that's really good. Especially with the 42mm variant, it looks much more beautiful. On the right hand side we got two buttons. The first one is the power button, and to perform various tasks, to go to the menu, etc. And the second one is dedicated activity button. So if I press this, I will directly go to the activity section, and then you can access all of these activities and perform some tasks. And the first button is used for powering on, going back, and to perform other functionalities. Right below the buttons, there is a speaker provided that you can use for listening music or making voice calls right from your Huawei Watch GT2. On the back side, we got the heart rate monitoring sensor, the points that we will connect with the charging cradle, and then there is a microphone provided at the corner that once again you can use for making voice calls from your Huawei Watch GT2. The leather strap is lightweight, soft, and it looks very premium. So overall, the design of Huawei Watch GT2 is premium and very eye-catching. The 3D curved glass looks beautiful, provides a distinct look to the smartwatch, and it feels good while using as well. The build quality is premium and durable, and this time we got a microphone and speaker as well on Huawei Watch GT2, and even after the integration of these additional hardware, the thickness or weight is not increased so much compared to the previous generation of Huawei Watch GT. So overall, Huawei Watch GT2 is a beautiful premium looking smartwatch with great build quality. And now let's have a look on few of the features of Huawei Watch GT2. So this is the watch face, as you can see here. If you swipe from left to right, you will get lots of options and cards that you can use to get latest information on your smartwatch. For example, your heart rate sensor data, your stress data, that's a new inclusion in Huawei Watch GT2, or the weather card that shows the temperature, etc. information. And then you got a music player as well that you can use to listen music on your Huawei Watch GT2. So this speaker is quite powerful to listen music or make voice call, as you can get the audio right here. And then we got some card for showing your steps count, calorie burn, etc. You can change the watch face on your Huawei Watch GT2. It comes with lots of nice watch faces. As you can see, you can select any of them based on your preference. So these are the activity that you can perform right from your home screen, the watch face. And if you press the power key once, then you will go to the menu where once again you will get lots of options. So here we got the workout records, heart rate, activity records, sleep tracking, stress tracking, breathing exercises, music, contacts, call log. There is barometer for air pressure, compass, weather, notification, stopwatch, timer. We got lots of stuff there. Alarm, torch is there as well, that will just brighten up the screen. And then what else we got is find my phone and the settings. If you go to the settings, once again you will get lots of information, like you can connect it to the earbuds and you can make changes to the display setting, the vibration strength. You can turn on the DND, and then there is an option for the second button. It's called down button, that you can use to select the option or setting that you would like to be launched when you press this button. So right now it is selected as workout. You can select any of these and then you can quickly launch that particular application using the down button. And then we got the system and about phone section. So these are the options and features that we got on our Huawei Watch GT2. So as you can see that it's pretty feature rich. It comes with lots of options and settings that you can use to have a great wearable experience. Talking about the second key or the workouts right now, if you just press it, then you can go to the workout section, and here you can see that how many options you got. So lots of new options and exercises are added in this section now. For example, now you got the trail running, you got rowing, elliptical, lots of activities and exercises that were not available on previous generation of Huawei Watch GT. So here you can see that what we got are 13 different running courses: outdoor run, outdoor walk, outdoor cycle, indoor cycle, pool swim, open water, climb. And talking about the pool swim, let me tell you that Huawei Watch GT2 is water resistance up to 5 atm pressure. That means you can dive up to 50 meters in the pool or wherever you are swimming and the device will be unharmed. So when it comes to physical activities and exercises, Huawei Watch GT2 got lots of options and you will be able to use them for your physical activity tracking perfectly. So at the first glance, Huawei Watch GT2 is a great smartwatch in every sense. The design is so beautiful, it looks premium, the build quality is great, the display quality is great, and it comes with new 3D curved smartwatch display that is not available on other smartwatches currently available in the market. Talking about the features and customization, it comes with lots of options that you can use on your Huawei Watch GT2 to have a great smartwatch experience. It also comes with an inbuilt microphone, speaker, and good amount of internal storage that you can use to listen music or make voice calls right from your Huawei Watch GT2. Talking about the health and fitness, it comes with lots and lots of options for physical activities, exercises, to track your physical activity perfectly and give you the exact data that you can use to improve your physical activities and performance. So at the first glance, everything about Huawei Watch GT2 is pretty impressive. In our detailed review of Huawei Watch GT2, we will also have a look on the battery life, the overall performance, and how good it's going to be when we use all of these features included in this device. So do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for all of the upcoming videos of Huawei Watch GT2 that we are going to upload very soon. And if you're watching this video from Saudi Arabia, let me tell you that the pre-order of Huawei Watch GT2 is going to be started very soon. The price of Huawei Watch GT2 is $799 in the pre-order phase, and if you pre-order the device, you will get a Huawei FreeBuds Lite earphone for free as well. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.